Hey, what's going on, good
Talk back
people?
off.
Welcome back to Tech Ranch. My name is Q, and today we're going to be taking a look in here at the Galaxy A11. Now, this phone here is $180 now on T-Mobile. However, now if you add a line, you can get it for free. Now, here's the thing about this. I ordered this phone yesterday at 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm an impatient bastard. I am. That's just the way it is. And I said, I'm going to pay the $12 for shipping. She said, no, don't do it because it'll be there by Thursday. Well, you know, it came here today. So, just going to go through the box real quick. Kind of had this is my third time trying to shoot this unboxing video. So, let's go through this real quick. Up at the top, you got your manuals, usual books and everything. Here we got here's the phone. We'll go through that here in a second. USB-C cable, SIM card for T-Mobile service, and 15-watt fast charger. So Snapdragon 450 processor. I think this is 3 gigs of RAM, but we'll verify that. Android 10 with Samsung's UI, One UI. 32 gigs of storage. Headphone jack up at the top. 4,000 milliamp hour battery. 6.4 inch display. Has a triple camera setup on the back. 13 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and a 2 megapixel with an 8 megapixel camera on the front with the hole punch display up at the top. So very nice USB-C. Take a look at this phone. It feels good in the hand. It feels like it's glass on the back, but it's actually durable plastic. So definitely you might want to get a case for this. Power button on the right side with the volume rocker. On the left side, you got your SIM card slot. At the top, you got your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, headphone jack, headphone jack, Apple, Samsung for your flagship devices. At the bottom, you got your bottom firing speaker and your USB Type-C cable. So that did power the phone on. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to go ahead and set this up, and I'm going to come back when this is finished, and we'll go through it. We'll talk about my first impressions. Stay tuned. Talk amongst yourselves.
Screen dimmed. Zoom out. 0. Stop video button. Pause recording button. Pause recording.
All right, guys, welcome back. So I got this set up. I've been playing with this for a while, and I've got to say,
12:25 a.m. Emergency calls. Emergency. No. Google Play.
it's
Google Play.
it's a hell of a thing.
Bring data from your old device. Smart switch.
So been using it, been playing around with it. So this does have 2 gigs of RAM. To check a couple things here. It's running the July 1st security patch.
Device unlocked.
I wish it had a better vibrator motor, but it does not.
Screen turned off.
But
lock screen. Device unlocked.
you know,
12:25 a.m.
I think we do what we can. Now the thing about this is that this device, it runs pretty smoothly. It is a Samsung device. I haven't used one, especially with this new One UI type thing. Let's go and check out the fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint sensor, it's not the fastest. Definitely works, but definitely can get used to it. So it's definitely, definitely good for basic use. Not having too many issues with it. So yeah, overall, first impressions, Galaxy A11, not a bad device. Not a bad device. Definitely could use some improvement. So I'm gonna spend some time with this. Probably do some comparisons, make some videos, let you guys know how the camera is. Talk about the battery life, things like that. And we'll see how things go. So, if this was helpful, informative anyway, leave a like on the video. Comment down below what you guys think. Do you have this phone? Or are you looking to get it? Subscribe. If you enjoy the content, share, tell your friends, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.
Stop. Pause. Stop.